From Live 5 News.
Good Thursday evening to you. I'm meteorologist Stephanie Sine. Close to the weekend, also close to the start of hurricane season. Probably weren't expecting me to say that. We do have a new outlook for the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season from NOAA that was released today. Named storms right around 17 to 25. We've seen this estimate really for the past few years. That's above our average, well above our average of named storms at 14. Hurricanes possibly 8 to 13, average 7. Major hurricanes average 3. 4 to 7 is their estimate. Of course, these numbers always change throughout the season. We do have warm sea surface temperatures. Still have a ways to go, at least a few more days until the official start of hurricane season. Just a few days away, about a week or so away actually, until we head into June. So of course, as always, keeping you updated in terms of the tropics and our local forecast. Speaking of, a live look outside tonight into Somerville. Calm evening, a bright evening. We have that nice full moon out there. Definitely take a peek if you can. I had a high temperature today above average by about 5 degrees, 90 degrees. 85 is our average. Record high temperature, not quite close to it, but we were in the 90 range. We bumped up there today. 97, that was set back in 2014. Temperature this morning, 68, a very mild start to the day. That is above average, our average around 65. Right now, live radar, we are dry across the area. Should stay mostly dry into the overnight hours. I say mostly dry because there's a tiny chance a little bit of this energy just to our north could move into our northern counties here. Earlier we did see a shower move just north of Columbia, so it's close by. You can see it's just to our north and also off to our west, but we're still expecting that high pressure to really keep the atmosphere dry overnight. Speaking of that, you can see exactly that with our future tracker. Tomorrow morning, starting off the day, pretty clear, maybe a few fair weather clouds. Once we get past lunchtime, though, eyes will be to the radar. You can see why. We have some sea breeze activity possibly colliding with a few different boundaries out there. Kind of an active afternoon. 5, 6 o'clock Friday afternoon and evening. Some scattered storms, definitely a possibility before this activity kind of moves offshore into the evening. So decent chance of seeing some afternoon to early evening storms. In terms of severe weather, we're at a 1 out of 5. 5 being a high threat of severe weather, 1 being a low chance, but it's also a non-zero threat. So do keep that in mind. Could see some heavy pockets of rainfall, maybe even some gusty winds, some lightning and thunder within those storms. Back to the here and now. Temperatures still in the 70s. It is warm, already a little muggy out there. Everyone feeling warmer than this time last night, and that trend just continues. Wind speed map, really nothing to write home about, but it shows you where this air is coming from, and that is southerly flow. Pumping in the warm air, also pumping in the moisture. In terms of humidity, you'll feel more of that over the next few days. So if you have outdoor plans, definitely want to pack the water, have that ready to go, stay hydrated. That humidity will kick in, and the heat is here to stay. Temperatures this weekend in the low 90s, even for your Memorial Day, up to 92.